Hello everyone, my name is Hers and today we are talking about a Virolink. Virolink is a world's number one breakthrough app using a viral blast smart automation and artificial intelligence for driving a traffic. I am giving the every information about a Virolink in this video. After getting the all information about a Virolink, if you would like to buy this product, then just go through my bonus page. I have created some amazing bonuses for you. I will give you a three software absolutely free which you can use for your business and my one surprise bonus. Stay tuned with this video if you would like to know about my three software bonuses and one surprise bonus. Let's go to the introduction of a Virolink. I will give you the more information about the Virolink. Let's go to the official website of a Virolink. Viroblast any link for free buyers traffic in 27 seconds. Autopilot buyers traffic in 20 seconds. 100% new, never before seen solution. Zero technical skill needed. Achieve financial freedom. Quit your job, travel and enjoy your life. Because you can quit your job because this software is drive the traffic via automation and artificial intelligence. Now Now, here are some review given by the customer who used the viral link. Now, Marco says first try 171 visitors and $229 in commissions. 4 sales plus 3 upgrades. Just came in handily for my son's birthday presents tonight. Now, here are more review about the customers. You are just three easy steps to use this software. First of all, buy this software, then log in and enter any link, website or funnel where you want to traffic sent to. Then the step 3 is sit back and relax as the software gets you a unlimited free buyers traffic. This is amazing software, guys. Now, he is the guy Branson Tay who create this amazing software and he is the number one affiliate or number one vendor in Warrior Plus. Now, if you need the more information about the Viro link, then just to go to my bonus page. My bonus page link is given into the description and click on this yellow button. You can directly go to the official website of the Viro link where you can get every information about the Viro link. Now I will give you the more information about my bonuses. Let's go to my bonus page. Now my bonus number 1 is Get Web List Pro software. I am offering this amazing and handy software that will help you to create a professional and lightweight pop-ups for your sites and use them for getting maximum leads for your offers. Now my bonus number 2 is Get Instant Content Creator software. Make killer article that will boost your profits quickly and effectively. Now guys, my bonus number 3 is Get Website Manager software. This bonus product will help you organize and manage your website effectively so you can manage your website better than others. Now my bonus number 4 is the surprise bonus. Yes, guys, the surprise bonus. Me and my team will create this surprise bonus. Why? I will tell you. Just imagine when you are a 10-year-old boy and your father give you a surprise gift on your birthday. Just feel that feeling. Amazing, na? We would like to give you the exact feeling when you are a 10-year-old boy. So, if you buy this product from my link, then how to claim your surprise bonus? I will tell you. If you buy this product from my description link, then you can mail from a Warrior Plus. You can click on the link. After clicking on the link, you can see this type of interface like this. You just click on a access affiliate bonus. After clicking on a access affiliate bonus, you can see my bonus team mail ID. I will show you. You can see this type of interface. You can see my bonus team mail ID at here. Just mail to my bonus team, I purchased the viral link. Please send me my surprise bonus. And my bonus team will deliver the surprise bonus in just the 24 hours. Guys, it's an amazing bonus. You loved it. I tell you, you loved this bonus. If you are looking for this product, then just go through my bonus page and get your all access of my bonuses. Get your access of my all bonuses. Now, I will give you the more information about the prices and upsells of the Virolink. Uh, Here is the front end price of Virolink is $17. Virolink is the world's first breakthrough app that uses virus blasting, smart automation and artificial intelligence to let up billions of real buyers see your link for free with just the press of a button. And these aren't just an ordinary visitors. These are serious people with cash in hand. Now the OT one time offer one is Viro Link Unlimited. It's $47. Unlock all premium features of Virolink. Supercharge your Virolink account to 100 into profits. Twice as fast with unlimited edition. Remove all the limits. Create unlimited traffic campaigns. Get unlimited free buyers. Now Virolink done for you edition is $197. Generate 100% hand-free income while we do all the work for you. Enjoy luxury experience as our expert team will log in your Virolink account to set up all your done for you campaign. Let us fine tune and optimize your account for maximum results. Unlike anything else you have seen in the marketplace, we actually hired a full-time professional to manually serve you in the done for you upgrade. So there is no technical skill needed. Now, one time offer 3 is Virolink monetization. It's a $97. Turn the traffic you generate with Virolink into profits. Enjoy $1,000 per day with high ticket commission. Copy and paste the exact done for you campaigns we used to generate a 32,000 in a 30 days. Done for you campaign, done for you funnels, done for you email swipes, done for you offer proven to convert, and done for you bonuses offer. Now, one time offer 4 is Virolink limitless traffic. It's $147. Instantly tap into our personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. Like literally owning a virtual ATM machine. 100% done for you free buyer traffic on autopilot. Lifetime access to our traffic source. Bonuses, training and tutorial videos step by step guide included. Now the one time offer 5 is Virolink franchisee license. It's a $497. Sell Virolink while keeping 100% of the commission plus guaranteed approval. Get paid up to 1120 per visitors you send us. Business in a box. Let us professional team and handle all support for you. Nothing for you to upload or host. 100% reseller license site for all our past product. One time offer 6 is Virolink the missing piece. It's $97. The missing piece accidentally found out by a Virolink beta tester pockets us an additional 300 to 500 daily. Works sorry, you're leaving money on the table without this unique upgrade. Works surprisingly well with Virolink. We have seen 5x income boost with this missing piece. Training and tutorial will included. Now guys, I will give you the every information about the Virolink. If you would like to buy this product, then just go through my bonus page and access my all bonuses. And you also get the surprise bonus in just the 24 hours. Now, if you are looking for this product, then the best opportunity for you. If you would like this video or if you would like my bonuses, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.